Hello! I just woke up. Alam niyo yung pag minsan kino-compliment kayo ng mga tao na, uy, ang ganda mo naman ngayon, fresh na fresh, batang-bata. Tapos yung reaction natin medyo violent, yung parang, ha? Talaga ba? Kasi ako ganun din. Pero deep inside, syempre parang, talaga ba? Baka nag-work yung aking mga skincare. Natutuwa ka naman. Ako kasi, hindi ako sanay na I'm being given a compliment like that na, oh, ang ganda mo, ganyan. I'm always so used to being told na ang galing mong singer. Because I was never the pretty one. Totoo to ha, na hindi ako, especially during my time nung nag-uumpisa ako, parang hindi uso yung beauty ko. So, hindi ako nako-compliment na maganda ako. Parati lang akong, ang galing mong kumanta. So, I was so used to that. And nowadays, I guess medyo nauuso yung beauty ko na kino-compliment ako ng mga tao. Parang, I feel so weird about it. And I get very uncomfortable being complimented na, ang ganda mo, Miss Reg, ang fresh na fresh ka. Nawiwirdohan talaga ako. I'm not making yabang or anything. This is just how I really feel when people would compliment me about my looks. Siyempre, nag-aabala naman din talaga ako para to look presentable. Hindi naman yung parang nagpapaganda ka talaga. I just wanna look presentable because of my job. Kasi you guys look at me all the time. So, pag nasa TV ako, pag nabibigyan ako ng compliment na gano'n, like I said, medyo nawiwirdohan talaga ako. And I just realized last night, because I saw some people and, you know, I was being complimented na, ang ganda mo, ang bata mo, tignan, ganyan. And my reaction would always be, talaga ba? Totoo ba? And I just realized that it's actually, what they're actually seeing is not just my face na nilagyan ko ng makeup or nagsuot ako ng maganda. It's actually deeper than that. What they're actually seeing is the glory of God, the grace of God, the favor of God that He is giving to me. And so when I deny it, when I say, parang hindi naman, talaga ba? Parang tinatanggihan ko yung favor ni God. And I realized that, oh, that's so bad. That's not nice. Kasi, actually, hindi ako yung kino-compliment nila. They're complimenting God. So, ngayon na na-realize ko na yon, if you guys also, kung nakaka-experience kayo ng ganyan na for no apparent reason, bigla na lang people are telling you, ang ganda mo. It's God's grace radiating on you. And so the next time may bumati sa atin, let's just say thank you and glory to God. Have a wonderful day, you guys. And remember to always be kind.